Hello and welcome, this is Safa. In this video, we will learn how to analyze a simple resistive circuit using the matrix method in MATLAB. The main idea is to apply Kirchhoff's current and voltage laws and represent the circuit as a linear system of equations. Then we will use MATLAB commands to calculate the branch current. This tutorial includes two separated code sections. One, define the resistance and voltage source, and two, solve the system of equation and display the results. Part 1, define our resistors and sources. First, we define the resistor values and voltage sources. This section is independent and you can easily change the parameters. This code only defines the circuit parameters. No calculation is performed yet. Resistance on voltage. Volt. Okay, run, and you can see here workspace. Okay, part 2, solve system and display results. Now we write the Kirchhoff current law equation in matrix form and solve them using backslash. Okay, matrix A and vector B. Solve the system branch currents, display branch currents in a command window, and plot branch currents. Okay, run. Here, branch currents and bar. Okay. In this part, MATLAB solves the system of equation and calculates the branch current. We also plot a bar chart for easy visualization. So far, we have learned how to model a system resistive circuit using the matrix method and solve the system of equations with MATLAB, display branch currents and visualize them with a plot. In the next videos, we will move on to simulating amplifiers and more complex projects. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Safa.